Alright guys, so here is the new project. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda, stripped already. I got it for a really good deal in the south, just drove it up yesterday. It was about 900 and something round trip, 900 kilometers let's say. All the stuff is there, okay? Chrome trims is there, trunklets there, front ends there, front glass is there, back seat is there. Only stuff that's missing is the front seats. I think that's about it. Got it for a really good deal. Car is intact, no rust. Only issue is they cut out the front suspension and put in a Jaguar suspension. No clue why they did it, but yeah, they did it. They did a decent job. It's a bit over-engineered for what it's worth. I don't like how it looks. I don't like mixing brands or makes or models, so that's gonna go back to stock. I'm gonna get a donor car and put in the classic Mopar A-body suspension with the torsion rods. Transmission tunnel has also been cut out. That will go back. Again, no clue why they did it. I don't really know the history of this car. I'll tell you more about the history in a bit, but first, here is so many different types of rat poop, or like any type of poop. It will make all sorts look like it lacks variety. I removed the torn out headliner yesterday. It's a lot of effort. You have to like peel that back a bit and unhook it. But this I want to talk about. I have no idea what this is. I think it might be asbestos. Whatever it is, if it gets on your skin, it itches. If it gets inhaled, it scratches your throat. And if it gets in your eyes, it really burns. So this is a biohazard. I have to wear protective stuff when I'm working in here because I want to look after my health. This has to come out. Modern alternative will go in. Floor pans, good condition, not rusted at all. Just has some weird seat mounts. Gonna cut those out, get some different seats, put it in myself. Let's see, rear glass uncracked, unscratched. Rubber is really good, not perished. Can just give it some silicone like window putty, and then that rubber shines silicone, and then we're good to go. Car needs to be repainted. The original color was white. Someone repainted it black along the line. Not sure who. If I recall correctly, I am now the 6th or 5th owner of this car. So it's been through many hands. It's been abused. Needs to be fixed, but I'd like to give it some new life, but I'm not sure what's new life. I don't think it's worth taking back to original because of the molesting that went on there in front. Sorry, that's my favorite word. I should probably not say that, but yeah, because of all the cutting and stuff that went on in the front, and because the original engine and transmission is gone. It was a slant 6. I don't know if it's worth taking it all the way back to original. I'll take it back as far as it's like worth going, but other than that, I don't want to put back the original front seats. I might put in like some Recaro or Sparco buckets. I like how they look, all black. Interior is going to be all black because, as you can see, the door cards are in really good condition. They're all black. But yeah, it's already almost done stripped. Just have to remove a few things. I have no idea what rear end is in here and if it's stock. I tried checking the PCD, but it doesn't seem like 114.3 or like 101.6, so I have no clue. I'll have to take that out. Other than that, most of it's already done. Just need to clean it. Oh, also, I had an idea. So I went to the shop and bought these trolley wheels, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld a frame. I'm gonna put it on posts and add these wheels so that I can put this entire body on wheels and strip everything, so that it can get painted, and also so that I can move this giant hunk of metal around, because as is, flat tires, no steering column, it's really hard to move this around. So yeah, this will help a lot. Just gonna clean this, wash it, and then make that. So I'll keep you guys updated, show you guys what I'm busy with as we go along. But so far, just got to get it clean, just got to get it washed, and that's about it. See you guys in the next video.